Hello everyone, this is P. Chalapandi here. First of all, I would like to welcome you to my today's session. In this session, we are going to present a case study on network prediction using probability, right? So probability is playing an important role in computer science engineering, especially internet, mobile networking, and cloud network. Then most of the exams are happening through online mode. Here, internet is not always perfect, right? So some failures which is happening on internet. To handle this situation, our engineers are using probability concept, right? So here, our students have gathered to discuss about this network prediction using probability topic. So let's start this session with our students. First, I would like to welcome you. I welcome you guys. Yeah. Okay, shall we start the session?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Today our topic is network prediction using probability, right? So what you think about this topic and what you want to convey this to the world?
So here, what we have to focus is a real life network problem. So what the let us consider college campus network. The college campus have Wi-Fi routers, servers, switches, a hundred of connected devices. But during the peak time, like exam results or online classes, the networks become slow, right? So some internets may be stopped suddenly. So we cannot predict the exact time of failure. This uncertainty leads to create problems for students as well as staffs.
Yeah, exactly. You're correct. Now, who want to continue this conversation?
Sir, from the
Yeah.
early records, the router failure probability is 0.1 percentage, and the switch failure probability is 0.05 percentage. Using probability, engineers can find the failures earlier. If the probability of failures becomes high, that time the early maintenance will be taken, and the backup plan will be made by the engineers, and it makes the engineers to make a correct decision making.
Exactly, you have said, and your point is very informative, right? So next, Valentine Nicola, what do you think about this topic?
Sir, first let us understand about the discrete random variable. So, when you are the number of network failures we can take as x. So the possible values for that for can be it's like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Since the network failures are countable, we can take that as a discrete random variable. So using this, engineers can easily calculate the number of failures in average, and also they can easily maintenance. You can schedule their maintenance, and also check for the availability of technicians for it.
Super, super, well said. Suprita, what is your opinion about this topic?
So next we consider about continuous random variable. Let y be the time taken to reduce the network after failure. The time can be 4.5 minutes, 4.75 minutes, and 4.85 minutes. Since the time is a measured and continuous, hence it is a continuous random variable. This helps the engineers to reduce the recovery time, improve the user satisfaction, and increase the efficiency of network.
Yeah, next we have Vishnu, who is ready to share his thoughts about this.
And there are many benefits of using probability and random variables in network prediction because the failures in network can be predicted when we use random variables and probability. Also, the downtime, whether the network suddenly stops, can be reduced, and system reliability can be improved by using probability and random variables.
You guys, super. You all have shared your thoughts about network prediction using probability. So probability is for uncertainty statement that we know very well. So today we have used that mathematical concept for a real life example, which is called network prediction using probability. So here we have not discussed about this topic in detail elaborately, but we have discussed what we need as fundamental, okay, for prediction of network using probability, right? So basic things that we have discussed. So by help of this basic things, I'm sure definitely we can understand more in detail. Okay. So here we have Sivaparni to give a conclusion about this topic. Yeah.
Okay, sir, let me conclude. As well as you said, the probability handles uncertainty, and it is also useful in networking, cybersecurity, and within cloud too. So what the final is, in in computer networks, the probability helps engineers to predict, prepare, and perform better. That's
Yeah,
it. Sir.
super, super. So, you guys, thank you so much. You have presented your thoughts about this topic is really very well, and it shows how much you are interested, you are passionate about talking this topic, right? So, I hope this video will help the viewers, okay, to get more idea. Okay, thank you so much. We will meet you with a different concept in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir.
Yeah.